my friend's gay cousin.
Oh hell no. I bet. Who am I here with? With Eli. Eli. And
Taylor.
Taylor. I bet. Do y'all have y'all been loyal in y'all relationship? Yeah. Would y'all be able to do swap phones right now? Yeah. I bet. Yeah. Let's see it. Yeah. That's funny, bro. That's funny. All right, now what? All right, open it. Oh, you know her password? Yeah. Go to Snapchat? Snapchat? Who's that Wardo? Oh. Who's that Wardo?
Eduardo from work.
From work? Who's that?
He's our supervisor.
Oh, okay. Who's that?
Which one?
Who's Michael? Who's
Michael? My friend's gay cousin.
Oh, hell no. I bet. Yeah, that's good. Nah, yeah. Yup. That's. Hey, don't you gotta go through mine? She can go through mine too.
I already checked it. You don't have anything.